You guys, I didn't think I had enough time to film this, but look at that. I just prepared this banana cake. Look at that. I just cut it into two. Just got it out from the oven, as you can see. Oh, this is so neat, you guys. Look at that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them to bits. You guys, this looks so delicious. So just
would you like a banana?
I'm filming. Oh, that's alright. Babe, that's great. I said, babe, that's great. That's great, you guys. I told them I didn't think of filming, but looking at it, it looks so good, you know. But I'm gonna make a video and show you guys how this is made. You guys, so this is it. Just one piece of ripe banana and then other ingredients. Look at that. It looks so good. You guys are invited. Come, let's eat. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. And this is a very fresh orange juice that I prepared. I made yesterday. It's still in the fridge, so I'm gonna.
Babe, I'm leaving.
Go ahead and then.
Babe, but I'll be back again. You do.
Stop it. Alright, guys. Go ahead and then.
Sweet Caroline.
This will be my breakfast. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna leave my health and nutrition channel link at the description below, so you guys can check it out how you can prepare this delicious orange juice that you're seeing right here. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.